Page number 154, example 12. Okay. So discuss the continuity of the function defined by fx equals to x plus 2 if x is less than 0, minus of x plus 2 if x is greater than 0. Okay. So here actually function is not defined at x equals to 0. Function is defined for x less than 0 and it is defined for x greater than 0. Okay. So, okay. So this is example 12. Okay. Now, next. Example 13. Sorry, example 14 we can do. Actually 13 is easy one that I'll give homework. So show that every polynomial function is continuous. So in general, a polynomial function can be defined as px equals to a0 plus a1x up to an x to the power n. Okay. So where n can be any natural number. Here limit x tends to c, px, this will be equal to pc, and value. So here actually for all x tends to c, px, it will be equal to pc. So polynomial function will always be continuous. Example 15. So before doing example 15, we'll be discussing greater integer function first and then we'll be doing example 15. So greatest integer function. Have you read about greatest integer function? I told you yesterday.
No, ma'am.
No. Okay. So greatest integer function fx is denoted by this. Okay. For greatest integer function, the value of fx will always be less than or equal to x. So basically, this x can take any value from minus infinity to infinity. Okay, basically, its domain is all real numbers. But fx, it will have only integer values. Means what I am saying is, suppose greatest integer function of 2 I am saying, it will be 2 only because 2 is an integer. Greatest integer function of 0.5, it will be 0. Why 0? We'll think this way, that 0.5 lies between which two integers? It lies between 0 and 1. तो इसको हमेशा लोअर साइड की ऑफ राउंड ऑफ करते हैं. ग्रेटेस्ट इंटीजर फंक्शन में इट इज ऑलवेज राउंडेड ऑफ एट द लोअर साइड. So 0.5 lies between 0 and 1. So its value will be, for greatest integer function, its value will be 0. Okay. Now suppose we have 1.9. So 1.9 lies between 1 and 2. For greatest integer function, its value will be 1. If it is minus 3, it is an integer value. So its value will be minus 3 only. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है. तो ग्रेटेस्ट इंटीजर फंक्शन का इनपुट तो कोई भी रियल नंबर हो सकता है, आउटपुट एक इंटीजर वैल्यू ही होगी. और अगर इंटीजर इनपुट एक इंटीजर नंबर है तो आउटपुट विल बी दैट नंबर ओनली. बट इफ इनपुट इज some other number or decimal number, then we will think that first of all we have to find that between which two integers it lie, and we have to round it off on the lower side. Like 1.9 lies between 1 and 2, so its greatest integer function will give us, its value will be 1 only. Okay. Now graph of greatest integer function, if I tell, then it is this way. मतलब कोई भी नंबर है, 1 minute. If any number is there which is lying between 0 and 1, then its value will be 0. पर अगर 1 है, ग्रेटेस्ट इंटीजर फंक्शन का इनपुट 1 है, तो इसका आंसर 1 ही होगा. तो नाउ example 15, this is actually the graph. Greatest integer function is not a continuous function because graph of this function is this way, which you can see on the screen. So here at integer values मतलब 0, 1, 2, -1, -2, at this points this function is not continuous. So it is clear from the graph. जैसे 1 है, तो अगर इसकी लेफ्ट हैंड लिमिट फाइंड करेंगे और राइट हैंड लिमिट फाइंड करेंगे तो वैल्यू विल बी नॉट सेम. So this is not continuous at integer values. Are you getting what I am saying?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Sahil, are you
Yes.
getting? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So now coming to our question, example 15. Find all the points of discontinuity of greatest integer function defined by fx equals to x, where x denotes the greatest integer less than or equal to x. So where x denotes the greatest integer less than or equal to x. Okay, so first of all, here solution, greatest f is defined for all real numbers. Okay, graph, actually graph shows that it is discontinuous, and how we'll prove? So if let C be a point on real number line, let C be a point on real line. Okay, if C is not an integer, okay, then limit x tends to C, fx will be equal to limit x tends to C x, that will be equal to C only. Okay, and f of C will be equal to C. So function is continuous at all real numbers not equal to integers. Okay, if C is not in integer, then the function will be continuous. Okay. Now let C be an integer, or C be an integer. Okay, now if C is an integer, limit x tends to C minus fx will be equal to C minus 1, and limit x tends to C plus fx, this will be equal to C. So function will be discontinuous at every integral point. Question number 18, page number 160, exercise 5.1. For what value of lambda is the function defined by fx equals to lambda x square minus 2x if x is less than or equal to 0, or 4x plus 1 if x is greater than equals to 0, continuous at x equals to 0. Okay. And what about continuity at x equals to 1? Okay. So solution, first of all, okay, we have to actually, they are saying that we have to find the value of lambda so that function is continuous. Okay. If fx is continuous at x equals to 0, that means limit x tends to 0 minus fx will be equal to limit x tends to 0 plus fx is equal to limit x tends to 0 fx. So limit x tends to 0 minus fx is when x is less than 0, its value is this. So lambda x square minus 2x and limit x tends to 0 plus fx is 4x plus 1. Okay. So when we substitute the, and here also limit x tends to 0 fx is lambda into x square minus 2x. So when we are substituting this limit, actually it is becoming 0. Here it is coming 1 and it is coming 0. So basically lambda is vanishing. There is, because of this 0 into lambda, it is coming 0 only. And 0 is equal to 1. Inequality we are getting. That means there is no value of lambda for which f is continuous at x equals to 0. So, okay. So, which is not possible. Next we have to write which is not possible. 0 equals to 1. So, therefore, there is no value of lambda for which f is continuous at x equals to 0. Okay. Now at x equals to 1, they are asking that what can you say about the continuity of this function when x is equal to 1? So after x is greater than 0, after 0, the function is defined by 4x plus 1 only. So at x equals to 1, we can say that function is continuous, because after 0, the definition of function is not changing. Okay. So at x equals to 1, f of 1 equals to 4 into 1 plus 1, that is equal to 5, and limit x tends to 1 fx, that is equal to limit x tends to 1 4x plus 1, that is also equal to 5. So function is continuous at x equals to 1. Okay. Question number 19. Exercise 5.1, question number 19. So this is also a question of greatest integer function. Show that function defined by gx equals to x minus x is discontinuous at all integral points. Here x denotes the greatest integer, less than or equal to x. Okay. So here actually for same as that question, when n is an integer. Okay. Here actually we don't have to find its continuity. We have to just prove that कि ये integer points पे discontinuous होगा. Okay. So we have to prove it that it will be discontinuous at integer points. Okay. So let n be an integer. Okay. Then g of n will be equal to n minus greatest integer function n. So when it is an integer, its value is this, so it is 0. Okay. Now we'll find the limits also. Limit x tends to n minus gx, that will be equal to limit x tends to n minus x minus this. Now it will be for n minus, it will be n minus of n minus 1, क्योंकि greatest integer function at n minus, its value will be n minus 1. So n minus 1, its value will be 1. And for limit x tends to n plus gx, it will be equal to limit x tends to n plus x minus greatest integer function. So it will be basically for x, its the value will be n only, and for greatest integer function for n plus, its value will be n only, so it is 0. So left hand limit is not equal to right hand limit, so function gx will not be continuous at x equals to n when n is a integer. Okay, so we can write this. Left hand limit is not equal to right hand limit at x equals to n, where n is an integer. Therefore, g is not continuous at x equals to n. Okay, so this is homework 25/8/20. Okay, so these 2 questions will be homework. So it will be just a
Okay.
practice for you. Okay, that here modulus function you have to define and then you have to solve. So these are easy questions. I think you will be able to do. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So I am ending this.